Wonderful morning. Today we are here for our GK classes. So this is your GK book and we are going to learn about chapter number 5, that is Great Indian Personalities. What is the meaning of Great Indian Personalities? Great Indian Personality means महान भारतीय व्यक्तित्व, मतलब जो हमारी इंडिया की ग्रेट पर्सनालिटीज़ है, जो हमारे इंडिया के बड़े बड़े लोग या फिर ग्रेट लीडर्स हैं, freedom fighters, that are great Indian personalities. So these are the great picturization given. We have to identify them. Firstly, we will read this. We sing national anthem Jan Gan Man every day in school. As you know, हमारी स्कूल प्रेयर होती है, लाइव असेंबलीज होती है, तो हम लोग उसमें भी नेशनल एंथम हमारा कंपलसरी होता है, मतलब हम लोग डेली वी यूज टू सिंग नेशनल एंथम. Do you know who wrote our national anthem? Take the correct option. So these are the option. इन ऑप्शन में से आपको चूज करना है. Who wrote national anthem? First option is Swami Vivekanand. Second, Mahatma Gandhi. Third, Rabindranath Tagore. And fourth one is Allama Iqbal. So your right option is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore has wrote the national anthem, that is Jan Gan Man. Okay. Now look at the pictures. These are all people who have made India proud. Write their names in the boxes given using the help box as your guide. So these are the picture of great Indian leaders. We have to identify their faces and we have to write the names in the space given. So the first one is, you can take the help from your help box that is given on page number 11. So our first one is Amartya Sen. So write this, it's Amartya Sen. Okay. Second one, just identify him. He is Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Jawaharlal Nehru. This is Jawaharlal Nehru. Now third one, who is she? She is Kalpana Chawla. You have to write the spellings correctly. She is Kalpana Chawla. So first one is Amartya Sen, second one is Dr. Jawaharlal Nehru, and third one is Kalpana Chawla. Now the fourth one is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. As in the help box, a doctor is not given, but you have to mention here Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. These all are the great personalities of India. So that's all for page number 10. Moving on to our page number 11. Fifth one, the great personality and the great freedom fighter, and he is also known as the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, now sixth one is Rabindranath Tagore, who has written the national anthem, which we have marked earlier. Now he is Rabindranath Tagore and he has wrote the national anthem. So he is Rabindranath Tagore. Now seventh one is Subhash Chandra Bose. You can see those, and just make sure your writing and the spelling should be correct. He is Subhash Chandra Bose. SUBHAS. Subhash Chandra Bose. BOSE, Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose. Now the eighth one is Satyajit Roy. SATYAJIT STYAJIT, Satyajit Ray. RAY, Ray, Satyajit Ray. So these are the great personalities of India, the great freedom fighters, or you may also call them. And great Indian personalities means Mahan Bharatiya Vyaktitva. So just write down the name of the given personalities and make sure your writing and the spelling should be correct. Okay, thank you all of you and have a nice day.